Liquid-type coating agent to protect your car body from the dirt. How to use. Step 1. Washing. Wash the car body to remove dirt and dust. Step 2. Super Repel coating. Shake the container lightly. Spray over the wet car body. Step 3. Wiping. Spread out sprayed coating agent on the car body by wiping off water drops with soft cloth. Easy to use. Simple 3 steps work provide the best water repellent effect in a moment. Comparing water repellency between the before and the after applying Super Repel. The difference is remarkable, and the high-performance coating lasts for 2 months in the triple effects of water repellency, durability, and heat retention. Except tire and glass, coasting all other material, lasting for a long time. No car body color restriction, suitable for all colors of the car. The extreme effect of water repellent. Super Repel has 2 types in volume. Super Repel 100 milliliter serves for about 2 ordinary passenger cars. Super Repel 250 milliliter serves for about 4 ordinary passenger cars.